Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So, we just came off of a 3-day weekend. Maybe you guys recharged the batteries, maybe you studied a little bit. Whatever you guys did, we are now into a new week with new possibilities. And one of which is the weed stocks. Okay, so last week, the stocks that basically got a nice boost from the Reddit groups and everybody else hitting those stocks that had the high short interest really gave them a move to the upside. Now, on Thursday and Friday, they came back down. And on Friday, when they came back down, Afria, which is the ticker symbol APHA, was really, I mean, these are quality stocks, and this stock got just hammered a little bit too much, that I thought anyway. So what I did was I bought one options contract, and I'll share my screen here with you guys. Let me see if this, hang on one sec. All right, hopefully that is working right. All right, so this is what we were looking at. On Friday, I bought an Afria call contract for $1.60. And today, the first trading day since I bought this, because I bought it right before the market closed. Now, when you're trading options, you obviously can't buy pre-market and you can't buy after the market closes. So this has to be done during market hours. So sometimes when I feel like something has been sold off a little bit too much, like this was, I'll buy a contract and I'll swing it over the weekend, and the first trading day of the new week, I will unload it for a price that I think that I deserve to get for it. Now, on this one, I wanted $75. That was the profit target that I was looking to get. So I put a sell order out for $2.35. Now, this is a little different. When you're swing trading options, you're not scalping options same day. So it's a little bit different of a strategy. And since I own my own business, a lot of times I could be busy during the day. So I'll put a price out and, obviously I'll do my research. I'll show you guys the chart here in a second, but I'll put the price out. And if it gets filled, then it gets filled during the day. And that's what I did here. $75 in profit. Guys, I don't know what you guys all do for a living, but I hope that you guys give this a real go. Like, really study, because the amount of money that you could make in the stock market, it's just it's really amazing. It really is. I mean, $75 for, I mean, I did do a lot of work. Like, I researched it, but all I did was I clicked the buy button. I spent $160. All it was $1.60 for a contract, and I sold it for $235. It's a $75 profit without sweating, busting your ass, doing what your boss is telling you to do. I mean, I don't know. If I was you guys, I would be watching every single video you can, studying as much as possible, and really learn the strategy, because this is great money to make. I mean, $75 after taxes is almost a minimum wage, like full day shift. And all we did was buy and sell one weed options contract. So let me get into the chart real quick here. this will give you guys a better understanding of when I bought the contract and when I sold the contract. So on Friday, an hour before market close, about 55 minutes before the market closed, I bought the contract. Now, at the time, we were trading around 1730-ish. I guess it was right around here, 1730. And I bought, when I do this, when I buy a call option, I buy the next price out of the money. Okay, you pay a less premium when you do that. You don't want to buy in the money unless you're doing it like right away that day. But I always recommend buying the first price out of the money. So we bought the 18 strike price, okay, because we were trading in the 17s. So we bought an 18 call, which was the strike and the call. A call means that you're buying and you're hoping that the stock price goes up in value. So this is exactly what happened. The stock went up in value. We opened up the market at 9:30 Eastern time on the East Coast here in New York. And I sold on this push up right here. This is where my sell order got filled. Okay. So right up here where it was trading roughly around $20. Now you guys can tell, look at this. I mean, 26% move in one day. Now I can't always say that every single trade is going to go this way. I mean, this was just phenomenal. But if you learn why something is doing something, and then you put your own strategy to it, I mean, this was obviously being sold off too much for the quality stock. So it got caught up in the short squeeze with Wall Street Bets and Reddit. It got caught up in that, and then it got sold off a little too much. Okay. So that's when I felt comfortable buying down here. And then we sold up here. So that was it. Real quick. I mean, it was a swing trade. It was a very, very quick swing trade. As far as market being open, it was only about 2 hours worth of the market being open from when I bought it here till I sold it here. You know, we made $75. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe. We have new videos like this every day, whether it's scalping futures, options, if it's just stock, and we do technical analysis a lot of times to find out why we're going to buy, when we're going to buy, and when we're going to sell. And yeah, we do scalping as our strategy. So I hope that you guys found this interesting. And I will see you guys back on the next video. Everyone, take care. Enjoy your day.